Alright you guys, so we are back at the house and I'm super duper excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting. Okay, so this is the first time that I have been to the Savers and it was truly amazing. Okay, let me just start off with the little things that I ended up getting. And let's start off with the toys that I got for the kids because I love Savers for, like, this is one of my favorite things to buy at Savers are these toys for the kids because they're so expensive at the store and they're just gonna outgrow them, they're gonna break them, whatever. And I got these Thomas the Trains, $3.99. One of these electronic trains at the store, brand new, is like, I want to say like $12, $15, something like that. So these are awesome, even if it doesn't work or whatever, but usually they do work. Usually these things are pretty resilient, and all the ones that I've gotten Eliza have worked in the past, so who knows, we'll see. But it's 1, 2, and then a little Thomas the Train that is actually also electric. It has like some sort of, yeah, I think it is electric. Okay, yeah, and then a little wooden train. So that's cool. $3.99. And I did also have a coupon for 30% off my entire purchase. So 4 times 7, so it's $2.80. And then I got these cool Transformer car toys, like a big bag of them. And there's like mixed in with some Legos and stuff, it's just like random. And this was $5. So 5 times, so $3.50 for that bag. Awesome. And then what else do I have in my, oh, I got another bag right here of toys that I didn't know that I got for some reason. But this one was only $3.99, so 4 times 7 was $2.80. This one's just full of like cars. It kind of looks like Spider-Man, but I don't think it is. But there's like a car thing, and then like Hot Wheels and all that fun stuff. So there's that. Then, for the low price of $2, which ended up being, you guys can do the math, right? I don't have to keep saying, but I think it was like $1.40. And this one is a super cute J. Crew little evening bag, and I really liked this fabric. It has like the sequins inside of it, and it's just really, really cute. And I really like this nice chain, and I love also this like flower kiss lock detail. I thought that was really nice. And these actually tuck into the bag, and then it can just be a wristlet, or a clutch. So this one again was $2, an amazing deal. J. Crew. This piece was probably, oh, you know what? New with tags, and it was originally $68 at the store. So we went from $68 to less than $2, which is amazing, and it's in such fantastic condition. And there you go. So beautiful. Love, love, love that. Is there anything else inside my magic bag? Okay, that is it. It's like I put everything inside here when I left the store. So the next thing I got was this really cool like origami. It looks kind of like what is it called? My brain is not, oh, Izzy Miyake. It looks like an Izzy Miyake bag, but it has like different shapes and stuff inside of it, so it's really, really cool. I love it. I love the shapes these bags take too when you use them, and I think it's just like really fun and really pretty. This one was $4, and again, $2.80, right? Once that 30% off discount is applied. So beautiful. I love that bag so much. I think it's so nice. And then the next thing that I got, this one, I actually like missed it my first couple rounds around the store, and I was waiting in line, and luckily the line was like kind of getting a little long, and I was at the end, and hanging on the end of the fixture was this handbag, and it is this super cute Coach backpack in this beautiful blue color. Like, it's almost like a Tiffany's blue. It's maybe like a Robin's egg blue maybe, but it's really, really pretty. And it's a drawstring. Love a good drawstring bag. This one was $15, and look at that. It's like in pretty good condition too. The interior is nice and clean. There's nothing major on the exterior, just like a little bit of like lightning on the corners and the ends, but like honestly you can't even tell. It's so nice, and I'm really excited about this bag because I know a lot of you guys out there love Coach backpacks, and I love them too, and I love drawstring backpacks as well. So beautiful. There's that. And then, okay, the pièce de résistance is unfortunately not with me right now. Well, he is, but he is not. He's in the garage. Oh, he's gonna be in the garage. He's in the car. I didn't take him out yet, but he's so cute. I did end up getting the bear. I need to name him. Like, what should I call him? I've been calling him Brother Bear, like the movie Brother Bear. And then I was also thinking Baloo, like in Jungle Book. And then I was thinking Paddington. But oh my gosh, that coffee table is literally so cute. I don't know if I've ever told you guys like kind of how I've always wanted a coffee table that was like a glass coffee table that had like an animal like holding it up. Like that's one of my dreams, and now it's like kind of like come true. But my original thought was like a really cool like vintage brass like animal. Like I've seen like antelopes, elephants, stuff like that, but this one is like so close, and the bear is so cute, and I think he's gonna look fantastic inside. Like I could put him anywhere. He's gonna look so great. Thinking of using him maybe outside, even though I don't think he's an outside piece, but he was only $40, so he was like $28, right? 4 times 7, yeah. So excited. He's so stinking cute. I might actually put him in my room too because I don't have a table in there anymore because I've actually put it upstairs in the loft area, so that they had a new coffee table because they took out the leather one because the kids were trying to destroy it. So had to put up something that was a little bit more indestructible. But that coffee table is so stinking cute. The only other thing I can think of that I've like always been obsessed with, and I don't know if you guys have seen this, and I might have spoken about it once to you guys, but it's those giant Geode coffee tables, and like it's like the amethyst ones, and then it's like a glass top, and then you can see into the crystal. Oh, so amazing, so gorgeous, so everything. I love those tables so much, but they're so crazy expensive, but they're so beautiful. But that rounds out today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out the store with me for the first time. That was so exciting. And then the haul video, like the haul at the end, such amazing stuff. I love visiting new thrift stores and seeing what treasures they have, and I'm going to try and bring you guys some more thrift stores that I haven't been to, so expect to see more of that. Like today, this whole all the other videos that I filmed today, I went to stores that I haven't been to before, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications so you'll be notified when those videos do go up. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Say hi down below. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, and let me know if you have any like dream pieces you guys would love to find at the Goodwill, because I love hearing about what your dream pieces are, because like I feel like sometimes those things are on my list too, and then sometimes I'll be like, oh my gosh, I didn't know that I need to add it onto my list, so then it makes its way on there as well. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Oh my gosh, the blue and white Bombay piece is gorgeous. It is missing the top though, so I'm gonna have to decline, but it is really nice. It goes with all my other blue and white Bombay stuff that I've collected so far. Let's see if we can find anything else though. So I do love Bombay, especially the blue and white stuff. This is so cute with a tomato.